Hello everyone. Welcome to the refresher course for Modern JavaScript. This course is designed to help you to refresh your Modern JavaScript skills and get up to speed with the latest features of the language. Whether you are a beginner looking to solidify your understanding or an experienced developer seeking to explore advanced concepts, this course has something for everyone. This course is part of our pair programming series to build full-stack app using GitHub Copilot. Let's look into the topics what we are going to cover. In this course, we will cover next modules, learn how to organize your code with named and default exports, and discover how to import modules effectively, including dynamic imports for flexibility. Declaring variables, understand modern best practices for variable declaration, including the use of let and const to write clean and maintainable code. Template literals, explore powerful string manipulation techniques, such as embedding expressions and writing multi-line strings effortlessly. Destructuring, simplify your code by extracting values from arrays and objects with ease using destructuring syntax. Spread and rest operators, discover how to use these versatile operators to copy arrays, merge objects, and handle variable arguments in functions. Arrow functions, embrace the concise syntax of arrow functions while understanding their lexical scoping advantages. Classes, dive into object-oriented programming with JavaScript classes, including inheritance and static methods. Asynchronous scripts, in this section we will learn how to avoid traditional callbacks. We will learn about promise pattern. Learn about simplifying asynchronous scripts. Learn about async and await. And also discuss about error handling in async code. Next, we will learn about higher order functions, unlock the power of functional programming by using methods like map, filter, and reduce to manipulate data efficiently. Optional chaining and newlist coalescing, write safer and cleaner code by accessing nested properties securely and handling default values elegantly. Exercise, extend express.js with Modern JavaScript, apply what you have learned by building a practical project that integrates Modern JavaScript concepts with express.js. By the end of this course, you will have a strong understanding of Modern JavaScript features and patterns, empowering you to write efficient, maintainable, and robust applications. Let's get started and dive into the exciting world of Modern JavaScript.